The perks of studying automotive in Australia. 1. High demand. The general motor mechanic is on the long-term strategic skill list for immigration. This means that the Australian government has determined that more workers are required. 2. Work while studying. You can gain experience and earn competitive wages according to Australian government law. 3. Apply for a graduate visa. After completing your 2-year course, the temporary graduate visa will allow you to live and work freely in Australia for 2 years. Follow us to learn more.